Hey guys, welcome back to our another tutorial videos. In today's following video, I'm gonna walk you through how to fix Google Gemini not working on a device. So to know more about this, you need to watch this video till the very end. So let's get started. First thing first, you need to make sure that Gemini app is downloaded on a device, and after that you are facing some kinds of error or issues or not working problem in Gemini app. There are very few steps, or there are multiple steps to follow. So let's get started. So first one is to make sure that your internet connection is highly strong and highly stable on your device, so that you won't face any kind of internet issues while using the Gemini app. And another option is you can also turn on your airplane mode for 5 seconds, so that all the issues or all the bugs will be resolved and you won't be facing any kinds of error issues while working on it. And the third option is you can just simply visit your app store and search the related app, which is Gemini, and after opening the app Google Gemini, then there will be the option update if any kinds of updates would be available. So if the update is available, you just need to tap on the option update and update the app accordingly. And after updating the app, you won't be facing any kinds of error issues while working on it. And the last but not the least is tap on the option settings and go to the option general and tap on the option iPhone storage, and then search the app Gemini in which we are facing the error. And tapping on the option Gemini, there will be the option like offload app. There is the option like offload app. Tap on the option offload app, confirm it, and again there is the option reinstall app. After tapping on the reinstall app, your app Gemini will be reinstalled with the very new features, and you can just explore all its features and won't be facing any kinds of not working or something went on issues while working on Gemini app anymore in future. So that's how you can do it. So that's it for today. Hope this video helped you. If this video helped you, do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon of our channel. Thank you, and see you in the next video.